Welcome back. It is 6:14. We continue to track the storm that is slamming the Sierra.
It is having a serious impact on the roads. Jeremy Linder from Caltrans District 3 joins us live to give us an update on the conditions. Jeremy, you're in Marysville right now. We're lucky to have you because you're about to hit the road to head towards the situation. For people who may want to go up 80 or 50, they're like, I want to check the snow out. I want to maybe go to a snow park. I want to have a snowball fight with the kids. What's your message to people who are thinking of doing that today?
So for that in particular, I mean, the overall message is just don't go. If you're looking to have fun, wait till after the storm. I'm trying to do a service getting the word out there, which is why I'm going up, but I'm also meeting up with the crews. So I'm doing everything that's necessary. And this is very important for those that maybe they have to essentially travel through the Sierra this time of year. I've not only checked in with someone ahead of time to let them know when I'm leaving, I'm going to be staying in periodic updates with them so they know when I arrive and that I'm safe. But ultimately, if you don't have to be going up, just don't. Wait until the storm passes and enjoy it next week.
It's not awful down here in the in the low country right now, Jeremy. And maybe people are like, oh, maybe I'll go up to 2,000 feet, 3,000 feet, or whatnot. No dice on all of this, right?
That's correct. I know Rob can definitely attest to this, that it's quiet in the valley, but things drastically change once you increase your elevation and you head into the Sierra. And a lot of people, if they're not aware of that or they're not prepared for it, that's ultimately what catches them off guard. And being unprepared then causes the possibility of them getting into a worse situation and needing help, which ultimately we want to avoid. We want everyone to get to their destination safely and just be overall prepared.
Yeah, Jeremy, you say you're in Marysville and you've checked in with someone where you're going. Can you talk to us about where you're going and how you plan to be extra safe as you go? I'm sure you have a snow-equipped vehicle. I see you are. Everybody can see you if for some reason you need to get out and meet with anybody alongside the roadway.
Yeah, that's absolutely correct. So not only did I check in with the crew, so I'm going to be heading up to Kingdale today, trying to do a ride along with the plow drivers, trying to get myself in a grader and get some more information about what those crews do to keep everyone safe. At the same time, I have a four-wheel drive vehicle. It's going to be engaged. We have snow tires so that when I get to the chain check, we are completely safe. And then from there, it's going to be slow and steady. Speed limit's not going to go above 30 miles per hour once I'm in chain control. I've planned at least 2 hours to get to Kingdale, which is not normal on a sunny day, but that's ultimately what you need to be prepared for. There will be an excessive delay if you're traveling the Sierra corridor over the next several days.
Well, Jeremy, given your line of work, you know all of these roads very well. But for somebody who is going to chance it, we're warning them not to. But how reliable is GPS right now?
Absolutely not reliable at all. When you have storms like this that are this severe, the best advice is you're going to want to stay on the main highway, 80 or 50. Don't try to find that alternate route to avoid chain checks or to get to your destination. Caltrans only plows the highway. That's our jurisdiction. Any side roads will be under the jurisdiction of the county or a local city. You never know how frequently they'll plow those roads. So very often, if conditions are bad on the highway, it's going to be even worse on a side street. So you definitely don't want to chance it. Stay on the main highway.
Right.
That way, if you do get in an emergency, it's not going to be long before a Caltrans plow truck will be coming by and you can flag them down for help.
Yeah. All right. Jeremy Linder, Caltrans District 3. Jeremy, I know you got a busy day. You're heading up to the high country right now. Jeremy, thank you.